Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Thursday, May 21st. What's going on from forexfactory.com calendar? At 8:30 we had a bunch of numbers. We had the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, which was way less than expected. We had unemployment claims, which are 209 versus expectation of 210. So that's right on par with expectations. Building permits were actually positive, 1.44 versus 1.38 expected. Housing starts were also greater than expected, 1.47 versus 1.42. These are good numbers. That is good for the economy. At 9:45, so we have manufacturing and services PMI. At 10:30, we have natural gas storage. And at 12:20, we have FOMC member Barkin speaking. And that is it for the day. Of course, we'll have Trump tweets as well as information spilling out of Iran. So be aware, be careful. Moving on, looking at the daily chart, we had a nice update yesterday, but volume was just barely above average. So not impressive. For a big day like that, you'd expect the volume to be impressive. It's not. The only impressive days were the down days. Again, this is worrying me somewhat that this is not confirming this high. We may be just going sideways to eventually roll over. We are above the moving averages and above the trend lines for the most part. Is a bullish pattern. Looking at the inventory was positive on a positive day. So those are correlated. More internals are working as expected, and that is a good thing. Moving on, looking at the overnight action, approximately 62 points. That's above average, but it's about normal for the way the environment has been over the last couple of weeks. Where do we have support and resistance? We've got resistance up here at the highs at 74.70, 74.84, 74.90, above 7,500 and 75.07. We go up just a hair higher, 75.25. On the bottom side, where is support? Decent support. Right around that 7,400, 74.03, 73.90, 73.66, 73.56, 73. That's going to round it to 73.50. Stock Traders Almanac, 47.6. 47.6. So a negative bias today, but not by a ton. About a 53% chance the market will be down. Hope you have a great day. Remember to subscribe and like, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.